Hello guys, once again I'm here, and I know it has been a long time since my last video, like 5 months so far. So I went for a procedure on my skin, and it's called the Subcision, and it's basically putting a needle from these areas underneath the skin, so they move the needle and try to detach the skin from the beneath tissues. So, and also they might inject some healing and boosting solutions under your skin. So what does it do is that by attaching the skin from the beneath tissues, the skin will try to recover itself somehow, and those areas that your skin has probably really deep pores, they will be detached, so they will come upward and the skin will be much smoother afterward. The procedure itself is a short one, so it took me like 1 hour. It doesn't hurt really. At the same time, I had another treatment on my skin, which was a controlled burning on my skin with chemical peeling liquids. So what the doctor did was that he poured the chemical on the areas that are pores and deep pores, so it somehow burns and peels the tissue and the skin. So after it's healed, it will be much better. The Subcision itself makes your face swallow, so it's like a balloon face. So for roughly 10 days, probably you can't go out and socialize. But the peeling treatment was the worst, and it leaves really dark spots on your skin. So for 5 months, my skin was dusted skin, and it was really unpleasant and really bothering me. And when I asked my doctor why it remained there so long, he told me that you would need afterward treatment like fractional laser or some other treatment too. So I really not recommend the chemical peeling treatment. But regarding the Subcision procedure, well, as you see, it's not a huge difference, but probably 10% improvement. So what I do after recording this video, I try to find my before procedure, after procedure during those 5 months, and I will take some photos now. So I put the in this clip for you so we can compare. Right, there we go. So these are the pictures. The first two ones at the left side are the ones that I've took 2 days after the procedure, and you can see that it's horrible. A lot of dark spots caused by the chemical peeling treatment, and also you can see that my face is swallowed. After that, the first column are the pictures that I've took right before the procedure, like 1 week before I go for the procedure. The second column in the middle are the ones that I've took 2 months after the procedure, and the last column are the ones that I've took now, so it's roughly more than 5 months from the time that I've had the procedure.
So now that I've put all these pictures together here for you, I can also for the first time compare all these pictures. So if we look at the column belongs to the before procedure and the last column of the pictures that I've took now, and I compare them together. If we look at the first 2 top pictures in both columns, the one that are from my forehead and right side of my face, I can see really a magnificent changes and improvement. But if I look at the ones that I took from my left side of face, I can see really improvements. So what I want to conclude is that this procedure and treatment is effective for the really deep pores and scars. So if you don't have really deep scars and pores on your face, I would say that it doesn't really worth to go through this procedure and spend all the time and money and go through all the trouble after that. But if you have really deep ones, as you see in these pictures, it really helps to improve them. All right, so let's continue.